the median of a triangle are congruent. So here I will draw one triangle ABC, and in this triangle median means here opposite side of what this is the vertex A and opposite side is BC is the opposite side of vertex A, and the midpoint of BC I will take as P. Midpoint of BC is P. If we join opposite vertex to the midpoint of opposite side, this is called median. Here AP is median. Similarly, take midpoint of AB. AB midpoint is Q. Now join AB opposite vertex is C. So C to midpoint of AB. Similarly here AC midpoint we will take as R. So AC opposite vertex is B. B is the opposite vertex of AC. So join midpoint of AC to the opposite vertex. This is median. So here in this figure we have three medians. One is AP, BR and CQ. So three medians meet at one point. This is called concurrent point, and the median of triangle are concurrent. It meets at one point. Concurrence means meeting at one point, and their point of concurrence is called the centroid, and this point whatever median concurrence point of median are called centroid. This is very important thing, centroid, and it is denoted by G. Always we will denote it with G, the concurrence points of medians. Next, all types of triangles, the location of G in the interior of the triangle. In any triangle, the G will be inside the triangle. The centroid divides each median in the ratio 2:1. This is here. The centroid is G, divides the each median. For example, I will take the first median, that is AP. This is one median, and this point G divides this line into two parts. Which two parts? AG and GP. These are the 2 points. So the full length is AP. AP is divided into two parts, AG and GP. That is called the centroid divide. Centroid means G divides each median. Here another median is BR. BR also divided into two parts, BG and GR. Similarly, one more median is CQ. This is also divided into two parts, CG and QG. Okay, in the ratio 2:1. So here whatever vertex to G, this is this ratio, this part, and this is the side, and this part GP is another part. Here we have in median AP we have two parts, one is AG, another one is GP. G to A is the vertex and BC is the side, P is the midpoint of AC. So this point is smaller, this point will be bigger. Similarly here, vertex is B. So BG is bigger part, GR is smaller. Similarly in this part, vertex is C. So CG is bigger, QG is smaller. So the ratio of, now how to write ratio? First thing is AP. First median is AP. In AP, bigger part is AG. Vertex to G. Length of AG is to GP. Length of GP is equal to 2:1. Example I'll give. If the length of AG is 8 centimeters, just example it is, then what will be the length of this? Half of 8, that is 4. If the length of GC is 6 centimeter, then QG will be 3, half of this. Similarly, in this, if the length of GR is 2, then what is the bigger length? Double of this. This is bigger length, is it? So if this is 2, this will be 4. So according to this statement, just you can find out how to do the calculation. Here length of AG taken as 8 is 2. Length of GP as 4. So write in fraction form 8 by 4. 4 ones are 4 twos are. So the ratio is 2 by 1, that this is not 2 is to 1. So this is the concept. Similarly, another example here, length bigger in median QC, the bigger length will be vertex to G, CG. So length of CG is to length of GQ. Length of GQ is equal to, C here in the next step I will write length of CG. Length of CG is taken as 6. 6 is to length of GQ is 3. So write in fraction form. 6 comes in the numerator, next one comes in the denominator. 3 ones are 3 twos are. Compulsory you should get the value 2 by 1. That is nothing but 2 is to 1. This is the property whatever given here. The centroid divides each median in the ratio 2 is to 1. In the ratio 2 is to 1.